Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the best travel advice. If you're tuning in today, then you're in for a treat. We're going to dive into some solo travel hacks that'll make your trip so memorable, your future self will thank you. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned solo traveler, we've got you covered. So, let's get started on this one-man adventure. Part 1, Planning Your Trip. To all the control freaks out there, we got you covered. Planning your solo trip is essential to keep that everything is under control feeling. Our tips include, pick a destination where you can shout single and ready to mingle from the rooftops, aka cities like Bangkok, Paris, and Tokyo. They know what's up. Book your accommodation in advance. Make sure you choose a place that's social and happening, so you can find the yin to your yang, the peanut butter to your jelly, or the avocado to your toast. Have a rough itinerary, but also be open to spontaneous adventures. We all know that the best travel stories are the ones that aren't planned. So, take that leap of faith. Part 2, Meeting people on the road. Attention all introverts, extroverts, and everything in between. You don't have to eat alone or miss out on activities because you're solo. Here are some tips to help you find your tribe. Stay at a hostel or hotel that's social, with a common area, group activities, or tours. This way, you can get that oh-so-needed human interaction, and who knows, you might just meet your new BFF. Join a group tour or activity. It's like killing two birds with one stone. You'll have a fantastic experience, and you'll meet new people who share your interests. It's a win-win situation. Slide into the DMs. Use social media to your advantage by following other travelers on Instagram, joining travel groups on Facebook, or using apps like Couchsurfing to connect with locals or travelers in the area. They say stranger danger, we say, strangers can be dangerous, but also, they can be fun. Part 3, Staying safe. Although solo travel is liberating and exciting, it's crucial to take precautions to ensure your safety. Here are our tips. Do your research. Before you travel, read up on your destination's laws and customs, so you can avoid any unnecessary trouble. Think of it as a cheat sheet to keep you out of trouble. Protect your valuables like they are your children. Keep your passport, money, and credit card safe and secure, and always keep an eye on them. Pro tip, avoid flashing your expensive jewelry or camera around, you're not a walking museum. Trust your gut. If something feels off, then listen to your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. We don't want to scare you, but we've all seen the movie Taken. Part 4, Enjoying your trip to the fullest. The golden rule of solo travel, do what you want, when you want, without anyone judging you. Here are some tips to make the most of your solo travel experience. Step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and embrace that opportunity to be a daredevil. Do you want to try that weird-looking street food? Go for it. Or do you want to experience whitewater rafting? Sign up for it. You'll be glad you did. Be open to new experiences. Say yes to invitations, even if they scare you a little. Take time to yourself when you need it. Solo travel can be overwhelming, and it's important to take care of yourself. Take a day to relax, read a book, or indulge in some self-care. You don't always have to be on the go. Document your trip, take photos, and write about your experiences. This will help you remember all the amazing things you did and the people you met. Plus, you can share your experiences with friends and family when you return home. Lastly, remember to enjoy every moment of your trip. Solo travel is a unique opportunity to explore the world on your own terms, so savor every second of it. Well folks, there you have it. Our solo travel hacks that will make your trip one for the books. Whether you're planning your first solo trip or you're a seasoned solo traveler, we hope these tips will help you have a fantastic time. But wait, we're not done yet. We want to hear from you. Do you have any solo travel hacks that you swear by? Maybe you have a hilarious travel story you want to share? Or perhaps you have a burning question about solo travel that we can answer? Drop us a comment below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. And before we go, let's leave you with one final tip. Don't take yourself too seriously. Solo travel is all about having fun, making memories, and discovering new things. So, embrace the unknown, live in the moment, and don't forget to enjoy the ride. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels!